support system is computer-based, okay? So it's electronic. Why might it have significant difficulties providing help in making choices when we're thinking about human decisions? Okay, so reason number one. Anyone in the team? Incompetence. You're going to have to be a little more specific than that. Because humans are incompetent too, right? So you're going to have to be more specific than that. I'm going to give you another try. And if not, then you get 0 and they already win. Okay? Good call, Mike. Anyone in the team? There's like 9 of you.
Impaired users.
Impaired users.
Can we discuss this?
I just gave you 5 minutes to discuss this.
Don't listen to us.
I'm giving you 15 seconds.
Just say that.
Inadequate information.
Inadequate information. Now, before we go on, you're going to have to explain that a little more. What does that mean?
The was not given enough information to create a good decision.
Okay, so how's that different to when a human doesn't have inadequate information? Isn't that a problem for a human as well?
But the human might be able to tell some information without, like, the person actually telling them the information.
Okay, so hold on. You don't actually mean inadequate information. You mean that a computer... Come on, articulate it for me, because that's not what you mean. You're saying something different. What's your reason? You guys... Shh. What's your reason? This is not your reason. Because you're saying a human isn't going to have this problem in some situation. Can you articulate what your actual reason is? Yeah, Edwin.
Computer can't like deduct information from the data, but a human can.
Okay, alright, so here's our reason. Okay, so you guys have to pay attention so you don't overlap, right? The idea is that a computer can only take the information that's presented to it directly. Is that what you mean? Right? Whereas a human can look at a situation and then it can actually deduce, they can think through it. Okay? So it's actually a logic thing, right? Alright, so there's our first reason. Okay, I'm turning over to Team Anne. What's your first reason?
Low accountability.
Say it again.
Low accountability.
Low accountability. Now, you're going to have to explain that.
What?
You're going to have to explain that. What does that mean? Maybe you should tell me what accountability is and then why low accountability is a problem.
Like they can't be blamed for their decisions, so they can't be.
Okay, so if it's a computer, right, and they make a bad decision, or they make a good decision,
Yeah.
like how do you blame them, or praise them or whatever? Okay, because it's not a human being. All right, okay, I'll pay.